Okay, I've been thinking about this forever. Buying a new car. My old clunker is on its last legs. But where do I even start? It feels overwhelming.
Congrats on taking the plunge. I just went through this last year. Bought a hybrid SUV. First step, figure out what you need. What's your budget? Gas, electric, or hybrid?
Budget around $30,000. Maybe a bit more financing. I want something reliable, good on gas, and fun to drive. Electric sounds cool for the environment, but charging worries me.
Smart. Hybrids are a great middle ground in 2026. Prices have dropped with more models. Research online. Sites like Edmunds or Kelley Blue Book for reviews, prices, safety ratings.
Noted. What about test drives? Should I visit dealerships right away?
Absolutely. Nothing beats feeling the car. Schedule a few. Toyota, Honda for reliability, Tesla or Ford for electric. Go during weekdays, less crowded, better deals.
Deals. How do I negotiate? I hate haggling.
Lean in. Prep is key. Know the invoice price, what the dealer paid. Offer below MSRP. Use online quotes from multiple dealers to play them off each other.
Invoice price? Like the wholesale cost?
Yep, tools like TrueCar show it. Add-ons like extended warranties skip unless needed. They're profit makers for dealers.
Good tip. Financing. Loan or pay cash?
If cash, great, no interest, but loans from banks or credit unions often beat dealer rates. Check your credit score first. Mine got me 3.5% interest.
Mine's solid, around 720. What about used versus new? New cars depreciate fast, right?
True, lose 20% value driving off the lot, but new means warranty, latest tech like auto braking, EV incentives. Used saves money if certified pre-owned.
Incentives? Government rebates for electrics?
In 2026, yes, up to $7,500 federal tax credit for qualifying EVs. State rebates too, like California's $2,500 extra.
Tempting. Models. Recommendations?
For you, Toyota Corolla Hybrid, reliable, 50 mpg, around 28K, or Hyundai Tucson, spacious, techy.
Love the Tucson look. Insurance. Does it jump with a new car?
A bit. Shop quotes. Safety features lower premiums. My rate dropped with anti-theft system.
Smart. Hidden costs. Registration, taxes?
Yep. Sales tax 6 to 10% depending on state. Registration $100 to $300 yearly. Factor in gas and charging, maintenance.
Overwhelming, but exciting. Join me for a test drive?
Absolutely. Dealership date next weekend?
Yes, you're the best advisor.
Happy to help. You'll love your new ride.
Can't wait. Cheers to adulting.
Cheers.